Do you love the warm spice flavor of ginger snaps with molasses but prefer them soft and chewy instead of crunchy? Learn how to make cookies with molasses in this easy step-by-step video for soft and chewy ginger snaps. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, this ginger snap recipe will give you soft, chewy cookies every time. Make sure you stick around until the end for my 3 tips on baking the perfect ginger snap cookie with molasses. I'm Anna. I've always been a country girl, and this channel is all about teaching others how to make delicious recipes, sharing daily life ideas, and finding joy in the day-to-day normals. If you like that sort of thing, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Cream together 1½ cups of buttered flavored Crisco baking sticks, 1 cup of white granulated sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, and 1/2 cup of molasses. Mix until creamy. In a separate large bowl, combine 4½ cups all-purpose flour, 4 teaspoons baking soda, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ground cloves, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Give it a stir. If you do not have all of those seasonings and you just happen to have pumpkin pie spice, you could substitute those different seasonings for 4 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. Gradually mix in the flour mixture into the creamed mixture. You're going to cover it and refrigerate it for at least 3 hours. I usually refrigerate mine overnight. When you are ready to bake, preheat your oven to 325 degrees. Roll the dough into balls and then into the sugar. Bake for no more than 10 minutes. Cool on a wire rack and enjoy. And by the way, here are the 3 tips for baking the best ginger snap cookies with molasses. Tip number 1, make sure you chill the dough. Tip number 2, don't overbake them. And tip number 3, make sure you roll them in the sugar. And if you forget any part of this video, be sure to check out the description box below for the full instructions and ingredients. If you'd like a printable version, head on over to my blog at keepitsimple.annasue.com. You can find the link in the description as well. And remember, don't just be a watcher, be a doer, and go try this recipe today. Ever tried making old-fashioned gravy and biscuits but ended up with lumpy gravy or biscuits that just didn't have that perfect flaky texture? Check out my video to see how to get perfectly smooth, flavorful gravy and light, fluffy biscuits every time.